Does being creative makes it easy for you to identify the root cause of a problem? The answer is yes. Creative thinking can help people to come up with innovative solutions to the problem, which can help them to find out the root cause of the problem once it's identified. The ability to think creatively is essential in today's world. Creative thinking can help you to come up with unique solutions, stand out in your field, and unlock new growth opportunity for success. Now let's discuss some strategies to generate new ideas. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a popular technique for generating new ideas. It involves gathering a group of people to discuss new ideas and solutions in a free-flowing environment without any judgment. The goal is to generate as many ideas as possible without evaluating and criticizing them. Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual technique that involves creating a diagram in your mind to represent your ideas. It helps to organize ideas in a clear and concise manner, which makes it easy to make relationships between other ideas and find connection in them. Reverse thinking. Reverse thinking involves approaching a problem from a different perspective. Instead of looking solution to the problem, you consider what the problem would look like if it was reversed. This technique can help you think creatively and you will generate some great ideas. Scamper. Scamper is an acronym for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. This technique involves asking a series of questions based on these 7 criteria to generate new ideas. Now let's take an example to understand how these techniques can help you in real life. Let's say you want to start a new business, but you're not sure what you want to offer. So first, you do brainstorming and you generate as many business ideas as you can. Then you do mind mapping to organize and connect these ideas. Then you do reverse thinking to consider what business you wouldn't want to do. Then use the final technique Scamper to modify the existing business idea and refining it to a perfect business plan. So there you have it, some effective techniques to generate new ideas. Try it for yourself. After that, you will also see you are able to generate solution to critical problems. But wait, does creativity helps you find the best solution? We will find that out in the next video. Till then, write down your thoughts on the comment section below and make sure to subscribe our channel. My name is Priyanshu and I will see you in the next one.